Begin by supporting the drive shaft. Make a cut on either side of the carrier frame. Then unbolt the carrier from the vehicle and remove the carrier frame. Using a razor blade, cut the inner portion of the carrier frame away from the bearing. Then, cut the remaining excess rubber hanging off the front of the bearing, all the way around until it's flush with the front of the bearing and the base layer of rubber. Leave the base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. To mount the carrier to the bearing, start with the top half with the bushing in it and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. Loctite is recommended. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount the carrier to the vehicle, take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer with a larger center opening, an isolation damper with the small end facing up, slide it up through the carrier, add another isolation damper with the small end facing down, and one of the two provided fender washers with the smaller center opening on the very top. Loosely thread it into the vehicle. Repeat these steps on the other side. Shoulder bolt, larger fender washer, isolation damper facing up through the carrier, another isolation damper facing down, and the smaller fender washer on the very top. Tighten both bolts down and your installation is complete.